Blogging is great for adding additional content to your site. It will help with increasing the site depth, which in turn has been found in some instances to help a website have higher rankings. Now, one of the things that we also look for from blogging is that we're looking to get shares on social, and we're also looking to get backlinks with it as well. We find in local is usually not necessary for ranking. In fact, 99% of the sites that we work with, we don't implement any blogging at all. What we do is we make sure that the site's on page, technical SEO is on point for those individual services and how we structure it. Where we place the link to the blog, we don't like to have it in the navigation because it's not something on these sites we want people to go to. We're not a media site, we're not a news site, we're not trying to pump out information. What we're looking to do is get people to contact us to provide us with services, not get lost in a deep site. So we put a link at the bottom of the home page to our blog page. Now, we also want to apply on these blog posts the on-page optimization. So the basic stuff, 1,500 words, right? 1 to 2 internal links, 1 authoritative outbound link. And when developing content, one of the things we like to do is create skyscraper posts. Now, what that means is we'll go out, we'll find popular existing content, stuff that's already had a lot of good traction, and we'll take it, essentially rewrite it, make it bigger, make it better at images, just make it overall a better optimized post, and then we'll reach out to who originally had linked to this post and try and get backlinks. So let's jump into an example. So first point, we got to find content, right? So we type in Invisalign, and what comes up? How much does it cost for Invisalign? Okay, that not necessarily wouldn't be too long of a post. How long do you wear Invisalign? Is Invisalign better than braces? Now here's something where we can add everything and we can maintain the relative content to the site because we provide braces and we provide Invisalign. So then we're going to type it, is Invisalign better than braces? Now we get a list of sites that are coming up in the top position. So for instance, we see Bright Local metal braces versus Invisalign, which is better? So we check out how's this content look. They've got a good amount. This would be something which we could take, rewrite, make bigger and better. But also what we want to do is we want to look at kind of the performance of this. So we'll go over into Majestic, drop in the URL, and we're not worried about this site's trust and topical flow. What we're worried about is the referring domains. So we'll go to referring domains, and we see this one, SerenitySmilesDental.com AU, 1314 trust flow. So those are good metrics, and it's health and dentistry. This would be an example of a site we would contact to see if they could replace the old link. This is right here, both these pros and cons. We'd want to replace this link and have them hyperlink to our website. You're also able to do something such as BuzzSumo to find popular content, see where it's been shared a lot, and then you can reach out to them as well too. And then on our site, down here, we link to our blog. It brings up our blog posts, and then we've got our post. Should we get braces or Invisalign, which is optimized to rank best in search? And then here's our internal links, braces or Invisalign, our outbound authoritative link that goes to a relative page. Then we've got our share call to action.